Hi, good day to all. Hope all are fine by the grace of God. Dear children, today I came with a small topic again, that is articles. What's it? Articles. My dear children, you know what is meant by article? It's a simple one. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, or idea. Okay, an article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, or idea. Okay, technically, article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Got it? Basically, an article is an adjective. Okay, like adjective, article modify nouns. Like adjective, article modify nouns. Children, we have learned what is meant by nouns and adjectives in the previous classes. That is parts of speech. If you want, you please check the specific section and learn. Okay, what is mean by noun? It's the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, it's the name of a person, place, or thing. That is noun. And what is mean by adjective? The word that modifies noun. Okay, the word that modifies or qualifies noun, isn't it? Yes. Usually, adjectives modify nouns through descriptions, but articles are used instead to point out or refers to noun. Okay, usually adjectives modify nouns through descriptions, but articles are used instead to point out or refers to nouns. Dear children, let's see which are the articles in English. A or an and the are usually called articles. A or an and the are usually called articles. You got it, children? Which are the articles? A or an and the are usually called articles. Children, there are two kinds of articles in English. How many kinds? There are two kinds of articles in English, the definite article and the indefinite article. Which is the definite article? The is the definite article. Which is the definite article, dear children? The is the definite article. And which is the indefinite article? A or an is the indefinite article. A or an. We can use a or an as indefinite article. So, there are two kinds of article in English, the definite article and the indefinite article. The definite article is the and the indefinite article is a or an. Then let's see where this article can be used. Where we can use these articles. The indefinite article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. You got it, children? The indefinite article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant letter or a vowel with a consonant sound. You got it? How many letters in English? There are 26 letters in English. Okay, 5 are vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. Okay, here the indefinite article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant letter or a vowel with a consonant sound. You got it? Where we can use the indefinite article a. For example, a boy. Here boy is starting with B. It's a consonant letter. Consonant 1, a boy. We can use the indefinite article a there. That is a boy. Again, a girl, a flower, a leaf, a doll, a toy, a cycle. Okay, etc. are the examples. Again, we can use a university, a uniform, a European. Dear children, here university, European and uniform starting with the vowel letters. So, can we use the indefinite article a before that? We know that they are starting with the word starting with the letter, the vowel letter. A, E, and U. Okay. European, university, uniform. So, how can we use A before them? Dear children, if they are starting with vowel letter U and E, but the sound is consonant one, consonant sound Y, ya. So using the article A before them. You got it? If they are starting with the vowel letter U and E, but the sound is consonant one, Y, ya sound. Okay. So European, university, universal, unique, union, usual, united, uniform, etc. No. So we can use A the article before them. So it's an example. Then let's see where we can use the indefinite article an. Children, we can use the indefinite article an before vowel sounds. Okay, the word starting with vowel letter. For example, an umbrella, an apple, an egg, an onion, an elephant. You got it? Where we can use the indefinite article and we can use the indefinite article and before vowel sounds. Dear children, we can use and the article before the words like our, honor, honors, heirloom, heir, etc. They are actually the words starting with consonant letters. But we can use and the article before them. What is the reason? Because they are starting with the consonant letter H, but they have vowel sound. So we can use the indefinite article and before them. You got it? So we can use the article and before the words with vowel letters and consonants with vowel sounds. Okay, where we can use and the article, we can use the article before the words with vowel letters and consonant with vowel sounds. For example, an hour, an honor, an honors, an heirloom, etc. Okay, you got it? Then let's move to definite article. Dear children, we have learned the definite article is the. We need to know where we can use the. Dear children, the is used when we speak of a particular or specific thing. Okay, we can use the when we speak of a particular person or a thing. That is, the article the is used to specify a particular thing. You got it? Where we can use the is used to specify a particular thing. For example, the day, the girl, the boy, the universe, the earth. Let's see another example. The cow is a useful animal. The cow, here the noun cow. We use the definite article before the noun cow. The cow is a useful animal. Next, the jasmine is a beautiful flower. The jasmine noun here. So we use the definite article the before the noun jasmine. Next, the elephant is very strong. The elephant is very strong. Elephant, noun here. So we use the. Want to point it out the noun elephant here. So we use the definite article the here. Okay. So children, we can use the definite article the before specific thing. Okay. We need to point it out specific thing. We use the definite article. We can use the before rivers, seas, canals, deserts, valleys, ships, train, people in a country, countries. Okay, before these things we can use the definite article. For example, the Ganga, the Indians, the Chinese, the English, the India, the USA, etc. Okay. So dear children, we all learn What is meant by articles today? There are two kinds of articles in English, the definite article and the indefinite articles. The definite article is the, and the indefinite articles are a or an. Before vowel sound, we use article an, and before consonant sounds, we use article a. Okay. The definite article the is used to specify a particular thing. So, dear children, we had a small topic today, but has enough importance. It will help you to and be safe. Thank you. Bye.